Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 3. Dear students, our today's topic MCQ from 21 to 30. And our today's subject computer. Our lecture number 12 and homework 11. Lecture 12 and homework 11. Let's have a start our class. In your previous classes, I gave MCQ 1 to 20 and today I have given multiple choice questions 21 to 30. Question number 21, which connects all the computers in all countries, internet, email, internet explorer and icon. Dear learners, you pick up the correct answer from above given options. Which connects all the computers in all countries, internet, email, internet explorer and icon. And what is the correct answer? Our correct answer is in option A, internet, you know. Now move on, question number 22. Send of email processes. What is the process? Option A, all program email address, write message, send. B, all program address, then write message, then click send and email. Option number C, all program, write message, then address, send and email. Option D, all programs, email, write message, send and address. So which one is correct? Send of emails process is at first you have to go to all program, then click on mail, then address bar, you have to write the address bar, then write messages and send. And correct answer is also A. Now moving on the question number 23. Which one is search engine? Google, computer, internet, none of this. Which one is search engine? Our search engine is Google. Option A is correct. 24. The white portion in TuxPaint window is known as the drawing area, canvas, color box, none of this. I repeat these questions again. The white portion in TuxPaint window is known as the drawing area, B, canvas, C, color box, none of this. So our correct answer, what is our correct answer? Correct answer is B, canvas. Now moving on, question number 25. Next question, 25. TuxPaint is interesting software for what? Drawing and coloring, B, writing, C, listening, or all of this. TuxPaint is interesting software for drawing and coloring. Yes, you know, drawing and coloring. What is our next questions? Question number 26. Which of the following is a part of TuxPaint? Ribbon, tool menu, drawing canvas, none of this. Which following is a part of TuxPaint? TuxPaint, ribbon, tool menu, none, drawing area. Our option is C, correct answer, drawing canvas. Question number 27. We find eraser tool in where? We find it. Toolbox, color box, ribbon, none of this. We find eraser tool where? We find, yes, we find toolbox. Option A is our correct answer. 28. By which one can one computer look up information, watch cartoons, etc. to another computer? I repeat the question. By which one can one computer look up information, watch cartoon and another computer to another computer? Mobile phone, internet, fax, TV. It's too much easy. Yes, you know, internet. Our correct answer is internet. Option B. Now moving on, question number 29. To save drawing, we have to click open, new, start, save. To save, our keyword is to save. So drawing we have to click open, new, start, save. Yes, save. Save is our correct answer. Now last questions. Question number 30. If you want to open a drawing already present in TuxPaint, you have to use which tool? If you want to open a drawing already present in TuxPaint, you already drawing present in TuxPaint, you have to use which tool? Which tool you have to use save, open, extract and discard. Yes, B. B is our correct answer. So I repeat these questions and answer again. Which connects all the computers in all countries, internet, Send of email process is option A, all program email address, write message send. Question 23, which one is search engine Google? 24, the white portion in TuxPaint window is known as the drawing canvas. TuxPaint is interesting software for drawing and coloring. Which of the following is a part of TuxPaint? Our answer is C, drawing canvas. We find eraser tool in toolbox. 28, by which one can one computer look up information, watch cartoon, etc. to another computer? Option B is internet. 29, to save drawing, we have to click open new star to save. If you want to open a drawing already present in TuxPaint, you have to use which tool? Our correct answer is B. So, dear students, your homework will be MCQ 21 to 30, right answer, right, only answer, okay, right only answer. And hope understood today's topic. Is there any problem about today's topic? Then you can call me, my phone number is given here. So submit your homework in our due time. So stay home, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.